Hey everyone, welcome back to Simply You Makeup. Today I am opening a mystery box. Never bought a mystery box before, but when I see this mystery box, I know I had to get it. I got this mystery box from JUVIA'S place. It is the September mystery box, and the name of the box was Skin Loving Mystery Box. I did not want to order the August box because I wasn't sure if I was going to get palettes that I already have, because I love JUVIA'S place and I buy a lot of their palettes. But when I saw it say skin mystery box, I was like, oh, if JUVIA'S place is coming up with a skin mystery box, I want to try it. We are going to see what's in there. This is what it looks like. As you can see, I have not opened it yet. This is going to be fun. Okay, so the first thing I see here is the Nubian by JUVIA'S and glass. Okay, first item is this. It's the Nubian by JUVIA'S place. Pressed pigment. I guess that's a mini something. This place always have nice packaging. Always have nice packaging. Ooh, it's a nude. I always take this up. It's a nude. This is what I got. So I guess that's a mini from the big one, because I know there's a big one, but I don't have that. So that is good. I don't have that. The next item is Luxe Liner Love Me. Yep, I have that liner. I have the Kohl and the Love Me, and I got the Love Me. The next thing is the Nubian Nourishing Lip Balm. Okay, that I know I had one, but I used it all up, so that's good. Okay, so this is what it looks like. And this flavor is peppermint. Okay, I had the mango, but I never had the peppermint. Okay, so that's that. Yeah, okay, so this is good. This is good. Next thing, oh, I don't know how many things was in there. I guess 5. Okay, I guess there are 5 things in there. I didn't know. And they say, let's melt it of cleansing balm. Let's melt it of cleansing balm, melt makeup, and nourish. Yes. Okay. I gotta go far away from the light so you can see. That's it. This is it. Yoo-hoo. And it's a JUVIA'S on here. It comes with a little spatula, and it is sealed. And I open it up, and this is what it looks like. I don't want to waste it. And the last thing in there is the JUVIA'S Skin Let's Melt It Off Gel Cleanser. Perfect. You know I'm going to use that. I'm going to use that tonight. I love the packaging. Yes. This is it. These are the colors for this mini palette. 5 items in my mystery box from JUVIA'S place. I love it. These 2 new products. Again, that was my mystery box from JUVIA'S place. Love it. I don't remember how much I paid. I think I paid $25 for it. And it was the skin mystery box. So for the 2 products alone, the 2 skincare products alone, it is worth it. It is worth it. Again, today's word is help. Help you get to the next level in life. Help me get to the next level in life. It might not be anything grand that you want to get to the next level for, but whatever it is, help yourself to get there. Don't wait for tomorrow. Tomorrow might never come. Help yourself now. Now is all you have. Again, today's word is help. Always remember, self is first. Love self plenty. Take care of self. Self is important. And I, Simply You Makeup, will see you in another video. It might be a mystery box. Who knows? I don't know. It might be another eyeshadow look. It might be empties. It might be a lot of stuff. But anyways, I just want you to have a fantastic day. Stay blessed and help you get to the next level. Bye. Bye, bye, bye. See you soon. Yeah.